I hate you, I don't think about you, and it's been forever since you've crossed my mind. I don't drink my coffee, wish you were beside me. Don't sleep in your t-shirt at night.